To add a credit card to PhonePe, follow these steps. 1. Install and open PhonePe. If you haven't already, download the PhonePe app from your device's app store. Open the app and log into your account. 2. Access the menu. In the app's interface, you'll find a menu icon usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a profile option. Tap on it to access your profile settings. 3. Add payment method. Within your profile settings, look for an option like Add Payment Method or Payment Options. Tap on it to proceed. 4. Choose credit card. You'll be presented with various payment options, including credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts. Select credit card as your preferred payment method. 5. Enter card details. Provide the necessary details of your credit card. This typically includes the card number, expiry date, CVV, and sometimes the cardholder's name. 6. Verify OTP. PhonePe may send a one-time password, OTP, to the mobile number associated with your credit card for verification. Enter this OTP to confirm your ownership of the card. 7. Set a secure PIN. Some apps, including PhonePe, require you to set a secure PIN for added security. Follow the on-screen instructions to create a PIN. 8. Complete the process. After confirming the details and PIN, your credit card should be successfully added to your PhonePe account. Remember to ensure a stable internet connection and keep your credit card information secure. Once added, you can use your credit card for various transactions, including mobile recharges, bill payments, and online shopping, through the PhonePe app.